I literally just pulled into the parking area, Restoration Tractor Sales, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and I'm looking left and I'm looking right, and 100 tractors, muscle strong right here. We don't have a bunch of time. I did account for that fact. We probably got 45 minutes till dark, so let's go, let's show. We're back. Restoration Tractor preview video. Boom. We'll dig right in out of the gate. He's got 268 series here, and they look stellar, man. Dressed to the nines, and this has been the 68 year, 2025. We've seen a lot of these sell on the channel for as many as there are in this. Oh my, this is stunner, big time stunner. Looks like 20.8s on there. Yeah, 20.8 38s. New seat, new stacks, looks like new paint. Great tread, Firestone front and rear, in it to win it. Item 3202, and I'm just going to try to burn through these as best I can. This is really nice looking, man. Looks like they went over it quite well. Dish in, half weights out. Yep, dual and 1,000. Okay, this is the 68 14 style. Same thing. Triple weights in the rear. Same thing, Firestone. 23 degree. Nice. Got the 4 rib BKTs. There you go. This is stinking stellar. 1466 black stripe. Oh man, this is really nice. And we'll try to hop up on these if we can. We got time. 1066 black stripe. And both of these, well, I'm gonna say this, yeah, those are 28.38s too. All Firestone on there. Yeah, this is where you come to buy a tractor. End of story. Oh, this is neat. 966 narrow front. 1456. Check this out. Narrow front. Just turboed. Oh man, what's that gonna go? 180 horse ish. Front weights to beat the band. Paint's excellent. Probably one of the better 1456s I've seen for sale. I'm not against original paint or anything, but good grief, if you're gonna do it up right. And this one is done right. This is cool and this is nice. I mean, I'll be honest with you, it's kind of a dream muscle tractor for me right there. 1456 in the rear. Yep, dual and dual, so good to go. And a 1256 front wheel assist with a cab. We're rocking and rolling. 806 front wheel assist, Wheatland. 1066 turbo, a bonnet on it. Man, this is a nice lineup here, man. Another 1066. Yeah, another bonnet on it. 1066. Now, the cool thing about this, if you've never been to one of these sales, it's pretty much story time on every tractor. He tells you the ups, the downs, and the all-arounds, and that's cool. 1066 black stripe, bonnet on it. 1466. She in her work clothes, but a lot of guys are looking for those tractors too. So 1066, another 10. Okay, we're gonna go 9, a 10 and a 9. Looks like 34-inch rubber on the back though. Oh, this 9, that's fine. 1066 turbo and cab. Got a cute little 7 here. Little chore tractor nowadays. It's like a black stripe 1566. And then another 1566 turbo. A 1206 sitting there, and yes, that's for sale because it does have a tag on it. But we go do-si-do. 1256 narrow front turbo. We got a Hydro 1026. 1456. I mean, there's 100 tractors here. This was not one I was going to miss. By the way, I am still in Pennsylvania. There's no snow. Another 26. I don't think I said 1066, did I? 1026. I'm just so excited I'm getting ahead of myself. Look, you plug it in. That's what I need for the Cub. 826, I'm right at home here. Yeah, just your old gear shift. Oh yeah, there you go, upgraded steps. Is that 38? Oh yeah, 18.4 to 38, which is makes it a muscle tractor, you know. Another 826 hydro though. That's your hay and loader tractor. 826 gear drive. Man, he's got a stack of them. L856 right here, turbo. He just fired it up. Rocking and rolling, 29.95. New seat on there. Sounds good. 856. She's in her work clothes all day. 806. Just a purring like a kitten. Another 806. She's a runner. They got them running down back here, the 8s. The 656. So he's got the 282. 826 with the cab on it. You know, when I grew up, the 8 series, you know, the 856s, the 886s, they pretty much ran the dairy farms. I don't think that hydrostat's for sale. I don't see it. Well, yeah, should be. New seat on there, but I don't see a tag on it. Yeah. Oh, cute little loader. 560 diesel, U-pullers. And it's got the reasonably rare front wheel weights. This is nice looking. This is sharp. This is sharp. Looking for love. 460 diesel. I've only ever seen one other 460 diesel, I think, for sale, and that was at Chalkers over in Ohio. This is nice. New skins, skin to win. Got one slab on there, front weight. This is just a cool machine to run, you know. 460 Ute, and good skin on there too, man. They just look sharp. Oh, a 340 gasser. Andy Warren, there you go. Got the spin outs on the rear. And new skin to boot, front and rear. W9, I think we saw W9 standard. I think we saw one of these sell at the last auction back, oh gosh, what was it? Summer or fall? I don't remember, but anyways, here's another 460 diesel. Cool. Super M. It's got the Baylin power steering up there for you. It's like somebody was doing some pulling. And maybe they were doing some winning too, but Charlie, Farmall M, got a name on there, it's probably a puller. An F20, new skin, good steers, and good rears. Yeah, this looks good. These Case IH is up, got a 7220, a 7110, a 7110, call it 4-wheel drive. A 5140 cab. Cute little sucker, 685 XL. I've seen people put loaders on those. 3788. Boy, this looks like it come right out of Pa Cats. 3488 hydro. 1586 turbocharged. Actually looks pretty good. Got a slew of paperwork with it. And we got a 186 hydro. 86 hydro. Good little hay tractor. I know there's some of you guys get mad at me. There's some AC guys on the channel and Case guys on the channel. We got some Olivers down there at the end. We're going to preview as many tractors as possible. But the problem is, if I got them all in the sale, you're talking a 3-hour video, man. So I try to be as selective as possible and going and showing. Okay, so big, long, what I would call the off-color row, at least for the channel. But we got an 830 here, and there's a guy back home that has one, and he pulls, and he wins with it. Chrome stacked, 730 diesel, 720 diesel, power steering 720, diesel, LP 720, 630. Tell you what, it's brisk. I don't know if it's 25 out or what, but 630. I was looking up in the field, maybe there's somebody hunting up there. It's that time, man. It's deer move 30, 430. Oh, what's this? What's this? A B. To be or not to be. Ooh, nice looking Ford 4000. It's got the Selecto speed, but new skins. A 960, really nice looking. Got the pie weights in the rear. Old Bodie. Allis Chalmers 190. Gasser. 7020. It's in beast mode. Open station. 7000. 190. 190. 180 diesel. Land handler. D19. In our work clothes, a D12. Saw one of these plow. Oh, I can't remember. It's a tractor club up in New York State, maybe Stockton area, but a guy unloaded one and plowed with it. 7050, 7000. Big old case, 2290. Another case is a 930. I guess it's their version of the Wheatland. Got a, it's like a new solenoid on there. Comfort King 830 diesel. The Comfort King. Oh, here you go. The old Cockshut 1600. And for the longest time, I used to tell people these are the Canadian Olivers, and then I just got corrected so much I just stopped doing it. Not fun anymore, but got the roll bar up top. This is sharp. You're a Cockshut guy, this is it. An old gasser, but you didn't put a lot of miles on the car to find a better one. Yep. Kind of set up like International's Wheatland in the rear. And we got a Super 77 Oliver. All Yali in free. And I'm guessing these will sell last. Super 88 diesel. There you go. And then row crop 88. Sharp looking. There you go. There's all the off colors. Come back to this 1.8 here, you know, hydro. They got the Noco on it. Noco ain't no Joko, but I use my Gulu. Okay, fast hitch. Yep, dual there and dual up top. Yeah. Oh, eventually I could see going to, they call these the old man step, but I am old. So, ain't no shame in that game for sure. I just like the, yeah, seat's identical to mine. I like the white seat right there. You leave the tractor out in the field, you go in for lunch and it's 90 degrees out, you come out and your seat's black, you can't sit on it. But the white, not so bad. This is set up nice, little chrome stacker. I don't know, I want to give you at least a, this is the front row. Uh-oh, rut row, front row. And it just goes clear down. If you've been here, you know. And there's the, he took that 12 for a spin, for a shake. There you go. You got her. Yeah, sounds good. Looks good too, it's in its work clothes. Probably some of it's original paint. You know, some not. Maybe like on the rail there is original, but yeah, does sound good. I don't know, he's backing out there. He's going to take that sucker for a shake. The old 826 cabber. Good day to have a cab. Okay. They're shaking and moving and grooving. Bringing that 656 hydro in. That's perfect tractor for me for like a loader. Gets dark a little earlier when you head east. I do see some cab John Deeres. Looks like what could be 4440s in that kind of era. And then I see some Minneapolis Molines. All the ones that I missed tomorrow morning will be covered. And man, this is just the place to be. It's a winter wonderland minus the snow down here. Oh, it's going to be a good one. I'll see you tomorrow night, man. Hopefully I can get this thing uploaded and we can party on. Let's go, let's show.